Hello my friends and welcome, and I'm happy to fly to Dubai today. So from Kyiv to Dubai it will be 5 hours of flight, and I'm happy because it's evacuation flight. We suspended our operations, our regular flight operations. As you can see, there are many aircraft here of our airline just grounded. But anyway, we're gonna fly this Boeing737-900 NG. And yeah, I just wanna show you the walk around. So you just start from here. It's the TUD probe, ice detector. It's alpha vane. Again, the captain pitted nose, the cone, landing gear itself. Nice tires, as you can see. These cylinders are used to steering, for the steering wheel. These cables are also for steering. We have bulb here, and here are the numbers to stop the wheel. Let's go again. Next, just check the doors are okay, everything is fine. This ground power is now working. Again, alpha vane, pitted. Let's go to downside. It's exhaust air from E&E Bay. It's VHF here we have. VHF antenna. It's a cargo hold. We are sending the mail to Dubai. So it's a forward cargo. It's a static probe here. Make sure it's clean. It's the CFM 56-7 Bravo engines. Nice engine, as you can see. And what else we have here? Lights. It's the air inlet for packs. It's a drain here. Check everything is sealed and okay. It's a retractable landing lights. Tires. And let's just check the engine. All right, the engine is fine, and it's a usual picture for 737. It's has some drain on the bottom. And by the way, then you check the engine inlet, check also into for debris and maybe bird strikes. This one is fine. It's an oil says here. This cap should be closed. This one. Don't stay very close to the engine when it's working, so it's an area limiting area for working idle, and also line to limit your restriction excess. And here we have a leading edge devices, all retracted. All lights are working fine. Our first officer is starting PU right now. This airplane is nice, it's clean and fantastic. It's a brake wear indicators here, and here you just need to see this cylinder, shock cylinders, shock absorber. And the doors are fine, everything is fine. A little bit warm, but still you can fly, no problems. This tire is new. It's the wheel well. Have some many systems of the flight controls. Hydraulic system B, hydraulic system A, standby hydraulic system. That's the normal flaps protection. There's alternate flaps, electrical motor. What else? This locks for landing gear. Fire extinguishers, I'll show you later. And yeah, I'm now a little bit in a hurry because we need to fly in around half an hour, so I'm just going through my exterior checks. I already done it, but I just want to show it to you once again. This slide is for emergency evacuation, so when you evacuate through this wing, this slide just show you the way for evacuation. Again, VHF antenna. Oh, by the way, haven't checked this slide. It's okay. The aft cargo compartment. The good thing in Boeing 737 is they can just access the cargo compartment. There are no electronic locks, electric locks. You just manually unlock, as simple as this. And it's empty, some rubbish in there, it's the usual stuff. Okay, now closing, and it's now closed. Very simple. Main outflow valve, safety relief valves here, drain. As you can see, it's draining. Tail probe. Also need to check the static dischargers on a wing and on a stabilizer. Toilet service door is closed. Again, the drain. Boeing 737 has many drains, so it's a big word and hydraulic drain. And here tires are also okay, brakes are okay as well, cylinders. Here everything is fine. Wheel well. Here are the fire bottles for engine discharging. Fire bottles 1, fire bottle number 2 for both engines. Again, the engine, and well, just check the wing. Everything is fine so far. The refueling has been done. We have a ferry flight right now, guys, and yeah, just gonna fly. Turbine. Again, I'll check I always check this cap is closed for the oil. Engine inlet. Oh, someone is flying. Oh, it's a cargo. Now mostly cargo planes are in operation. Passengers flights are suspended, but for cargo it's not a problem. Again, I'll check in 2 and 1 rotor. Everything is okay, blades are fine. Let's continue. Alright, check the wing. That's a door that prevents debris coming into your pack, so it deflects upon touchdown. So again, everything is fine here, and yeah, I'm very happy to fly today, guys, because we are now suspended and it's a rare opportunity right now. I'm so happy to fly to Dubai today. It's almost 5 hours flight there and coming back, totally 10 hours. It's a great block time for me this month. I'm quite scared about my aviation future, because we don't know for how long this lockdown will go, for how long it will continue. But I'm happy today, guys. I'm happy.